Hello everyone, Victor here and we're watching Incredible Victor. Today's video is about how to make some simple text animation inside Premiere Pro. So let's get diving. So our first one will be the opacity. Grabbing the text tool, I'm just gonna type a text like hi everyone. So as you can see, it's a simple text over there, nothing special. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click the graphics panel. Opening the graphics panel, we shall select the text first. Sorry. Then we're just gonna align them. So we're gonna go about 1 second ahead of time, and we're gonna create a keyframe by hitting the diamond button sign, and we shall go to the 4 second and create another keyframe pressing the diamond. And at the beginning we shall set the opacity to 0, and at the end we shall also set the opacity to 0. So as you can see, we have 4 keyframes. At the beginning we have 0 opacity, then we have 100%, then again 100%, and then it again 0. So it looks like something breathing text. Okay, we are heading to the next text animation. Welcome my channel. Okay, here is the text. We're gonna align them. What we're gonna do is shall create keyframe for the position. So start a keyframe for the position, and as you can see, there is a keyframe. We'll move ahead in time and set another keyframe by pressing the diamond button, and we'll go at the beginning, and the text will be away from the frame. Okay, now we shall go to the end, and the text will be all the way to the right. So now as you can see, the text is coming from the left, stays, and then move towards the right. Now we're heading to our next text effect. This is the typewriter effect. We're going to hit the text. We shall get to the drop down menu on the text, and there we'll find source text, and we'll create, and we shall hit the stopwatch button to create keyframes. And now as you can see, there is a keyframe and the H is written there. We move forward in time and write another letter. Another keyframe is created, then we'll move forward again in time and we shall type another letter. So in this method we shall keep continuing until our sentence is written. After that we shall find that typewriter effect. So if we play this, this text animation is the turbulence displacement. So if we write a text that let's do some text animation, we're doing some alignments over here, and we shall change the font. Now in the effects panel, if you search for turbulence displace, okay, this is the effect. We'll drag and drop in on our text layer. Now we're just gonna scroll in the effect controls at the beginning we shall set the amount to 5000, and after a few seconds we'll set it to 0, and after some time we'll create another keyframe by hitting the diamond button that will be of 0, and we'll set the amount again in 5000 at the end. So it will take some time to render. Hit enter to render it. What is it? So as you can see, there is a nice text effect, Turbulence Displacement. Now we're heading to the next text animation, and this is the mask effect. So we have a text written here. From the essential graphics panel we shall hit that icon, and from there we'll select from file, and I'm just gonna grab a video file, and we're just gonna set that down to the text, and selecting the text we'll go down and mask with text, and as you can see, we can see that video through the text. So these were some simple text animation you can do inside Premiere Pro. On the next video of text animation we will do some advanced text animation. Hope you have enjoyed the video. See you soon with some new interesting videos. Till then, stay good, keep good, and keep watching Incredible Victor.